The Guam established program to stimulate competitive research is working at several research sites across the island. Our EPSCoR researchers study the effects of environmental change on coral reefs, specifically on a genetic level. Pago Bay. EPSCoR research faculty at Sushi Fujimura leads deployment of instruments into the water to collect oceanographic data. Oceanographic data and coral specimen for population genetics are collected in Pago Bay, Ritidian, Luminau, and Cocos Island. Here at Sushi Fujimura services our temperature loggers on our permanent transect in Pago Bay. Larger equipment is installed to measure ocean currents and oxygen concentrations. On the same transect, EPSCoR graduate student Victoria Moscato and researcher Sarah Lemmer study coral adaptation to heat stress. They survey the corals for signs of bleaching and collect Acropora circulosa samples for RNA extraction and sequencing. Meanwhile, EPSCoR researcher David Kombosh and graduate student Karim Krimov collect coral specimens for DNA extraction, genotyping, and population genetics in the south of Guam. Ritidian. Here, and other sites across the island, the weather often interferes with our research efforts. In addition to our core research sites, EPSCoR graduate research students work at several other locations. Fuo Bay. EPSCoR graduate research student Melissa Gabriel and researcher Bastian Bentlock retrieve temperature and salinity data as well as collect Porites coral samples for RNA extraction and sequencing. Agate Bay. Graduate research students work together to lay a transect to sample coral tissues across the reef flat. Local graduate student Darian Rios samples staghorn coral tissues for DNA extraction and population genetics analysis. The Marine Laboratory hosts the Genetics Lab. It's equipped with all necessary instruments for the students and researchers to process their samples. Various techniques are implemented to gather genetic data, from PCR amplifications to high-throughput sequencing on our Illumina NextSec 500 instrument.